Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet book cover designs model. Let's start. A crochet book cover is a handmade cover designed to protect and decorate books made using the art of crochet. It is typically crafted with yarn and a crochet hook, resulting in a flexible, textured cover that can be customized in terms of size, color, pattern, and design. Features of a crochet book cover: protection. A. Safeguards books from theft, scraps, and fire. Customizable design. Crochet patterns can include simple stitches, intricate motifs, or personalized embellishments, like in details or symbols. Materials made from different types of yarn, such as cotton, wool, or acrylic, depending on the desired durability and texture. Functional additions often includes pockets for pins or bookmarks, closure like buttons, ties, or snaps, and sometimes handle for carrying. Uses: personalizing books, journals, or notebooks, gifting as handmade thoughtful presents, decorating bookshelves with unique and colorful accents. Creating a crochet book cover can be a fun and rewarding process. Here are some tips to help you make a beautiful and functional cover. Preparation tips: measure your book. Measure the height, width, and spine thickness of the book you want to cover. Add an extra inch or two for a snug fit and flexibility. Choose the right yarn. Use cotton or a blend with minimal stress, washability, and easy of cleaning. Avoid overly bulky yarns unless you want a thicker cover. Select the hook size. Use a hook size that works well with your yarn, creating tight stitches to maintain the cover's structure. Design tips: simple stitches for beginners. Use basic stitches like single crochet or half double crochet for a solid and even texture. And texture or patterns. Experiment with stitches like bubble, shell, or shrimping to create visual interest. Incorporate color changes, add stripes, color blocks, or a gradient effect for a unique design. Personal touches: embellishments with affix embodied in details or crochet motifs like flowers, stars, or hearts. Construction tips: create pockets for a secure fit. Add flaps or slits on the inner side to hold the book cover in place. Include closures at buttons, ties, or elastic bands to keep the book closed when not in use. accessories, crochet the matching bookmark or pin holder as an extra touch. Friends, practical tips. Block your work. A thin or foot block the finished cover to smooth out spaces and ensure the correct size. Make it removable. Ensure the design allows for easy removal to clean or switch books. Test the fit. Periodically check the fits as you crochet, especially around the corners and spine. Here are some additional tips for making a crochet book cover that is both functional and visually appealing. Advanced design tips. Child-like patterns. If you want a more decorative and lightweight cover, consider using leg or open-work spaces. Use a solid colored lining underneath to preserve the design while protecting the book. Use tapestry crochet. Create intricate patterns or images by working with multiple yarn colors at once. Incorporate granny squares. Use small granny squares or other motifs to assemble a patchwork style cover. This can be a great way to use leftover yarn. Use themed covers. Design the cover to reflect the book's content, like a floral design for a gradient book or geometric patterns for a journal. Functional enhancement. Elastic edge. Add elastic or stretchy crochet stitches to the edge to make the cover adaptable for books of similar size. Add a pocket. Crochet a small pocket on the front or back to hold pens, notes, or bookmarks. Include a built-in bookmark. Attach the crochet chain or cord to the top of the cover, ending with a decorative tassel or charm. Reinforced edge. Use slip stitches or single crochet along the edge to prevent stretching or fraying. Practical construction tips. Adjust for spine width. Make sure the spine area has enough room, especially for thick or hardcover books. You can crochet the spine separately and adjust it to the front and back panels. Seamless designs. Crochet the cover in one page to avoid seams that may be bulk or unevenness. Flexible sashing. Use stretchy stitches like shaping or Tunisian crochet for a cover that adapts to different book size. Finishing tips. Use buttons that tie strategically. Place buttons that tie statically to avoid interfering with the book's opening and closing. secure ends oil. Weave in yarn tails tightly to prevent interleaving with the use. Wash before use. Wash or gently lock the cover to ensure the yarn softens and holds its shape. Test for stability. Test the cover with frequent handling to ensure it maintains its fit and does not stress out. Creative variations. Use multicolored yarn to self-stripping or redesigned yarn for an effortless colorful effect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!